Need to pass the police medical exam? This video is for you. Hello, I'm Sergeant George Godoy, and today we're covering one of the final steps in the law enforcement hiring process. The medical exam exists for one reason. Law enforcement is physically demanding. High-speed pursuits, physical confrontations, unpredictable shifts, and sustained stress. Agencies need to verify that your body is built to handle a career in uniform, not just one good day at the gym. Because of the cost involved, the medical exam comes late in the process, typically after your written test, physical abilities test, background investigation, polygraph, and psych exam. It's triggered by a conditional job offer, which means you've essentially been selected. Don't let this step catch you off guard. Here's what the exam actually covers. The physician starts with your full medical history and basic vitals. From there, expect a body composition assessment. Most departments use around 25% body fat as a general benchmark, though standards vary, so check your department's requirements. Vision is tested to minimum acuity standards, typically 20/20 corrected and no worse than 20/200 uncorrected, along with color recognition. Hearing is evaluated for clarity and sound localization, with most departments expecting no worse than a 40 decibel loss at key frequencies. Blood and urine samples are collected, screening for a range of conditions, including diabetes, kidney function, and illegal substances. A hair sample is sometimes used for a longer look-back window on drug use. And finally, a cardiovascular stress test monitors how your heart performs under physical load and how quickly it recovers. Now here are 3 things that will protect you going into this exam. First, bring documentation for any prescription medications you take. If something flags on your drug screen, you want that prescription in hand, not in your car, not at home. Second, be thorough and honest about your medical history. A prior injury or condition is far less likely to disqualify you than the appearance of concealment. Physicians doing these exams are experienced, and gaps raise questions. Third, treat the weeks before this exam as a preparation window. Elevated blood pressure, poor cardiovascular endurance, or body composition outside department standards are all addressable, but only if you take them seriously ahead of time. A meaningful number of candidates who make it all the way to this stage still don't pass the medical exam, not because of serious illness, but because they showed up unprepared for something they could have seen coming. If you're serious about becoming a police officer, the next step is getting prepared for every stage of the hiring process. The written exam, the physical fitness test, the background check, the polygraph, and yes, the medical exam you just learned about. Get the top-rated Police Exam 911 prep course with over 1,000 5-star reviews. This premium course includes video-based tutorials, hundreds of practice questions, and bonus tips for applying and managing your job search. Enjoy lifetime access and personal support via email. Click the link to get started. There's also a link in the description and in the comments